Let me read the question. This is exercise 10.2 because exercise 10.1 we already did in that slides and PPT form. But here are the some questions which we will solve again on the board. To clear our concept more, we will do it on board. So here I am reading the question. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of the circle are parallel. So first we have to draw one diameter over here. Let me give it name as AB. If you want to give it name as any, you can give it. Then they said if it is diameter and if two lines are passing and they are making tangent over here, means contact point is A over here and contact point is B over there. Now prove that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of the circle are parallel. Means you have to prove this and this line as parallel. So how we will prove? Let us see. Let me take some names so it will be, this concept will be more clear. Let me take two lines CD and EF. Right. So I will write over here in given what is given. So I am writing that AB is diameter and CD and EF are tangent to the circle and touching touches the circle at A and B respectively. Right. Now how will prove that these two lines are parallel? So here as we have learned by taking center to tangent, if we are drawing the line, they are making 90 degree over there. So as well as they are making 90 degree over here too. As well as this is also radius, and if radius is touching the circle and one tangent is over there, according to theorem 10.1 they are making 90 degree over there. So if it is 90, this one will be 90. So let us write that what we have to prove. We have to prove CD is parallel to EF. This thing we have to prove. I am begin my proof. It will be of one line only. So here I will write that OB is the radius of the circle. Therefore, if contact point B is there, they are making 90 over there. So let me write that here angle OBF will be equals to angle OBE, and they both are making 90 degree over. As well as I will write that OA is also radius of the circle. That's why they are also making 90. So OAC, and that will be equals to OAD, and they both are also 90. Now how we will prove this as parallel? So I will tell you that if we are making Z over here, from 9th standard we are learning that if it is making Z over here, alternate pair of interior angle are same, means two lines are parallel. So simply here I will write here, let me write here angle CAO or OAC, let me write OAC, that is equals to OBF, and they both are 90 degree and making alternate pair of interior angle. So let me write in short, alternate pair of interior angle. If they are making alternate pair of interior angle, as well as we can write for these also OAD and OBE. Let me write OAD, that will be equals to angle OB and E, and they both are also 90. And how? Because of alternate pair of interior angle. Right? So here therefore we can write that CD is parallel to EF directly, and it is proved. because alternate pair of interior angles are same means two lines are parallel. Let me read question over here. Question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at a point of a contact to the tangent to the circle passes through the center. So what is given? यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? वो बोला है कि XY एक लाइन है और वो अगर सर्कल को कोई पॉइंट P पे टच कर रही है, राइट नाउ उन्होंने इतना ही दिया है, प्रूव दैट द परपेंडिकुलर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ अ कॉन्टैक्ट, यानी अगर हम यहाँ से कोई एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स OP इज अ रेडियस बिकॉज P इज पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल एंड विच इज ऑल्सो टेंजेंट टू दी सर्कल, मीन्स XY लाइन पे टच होने वाला पॉइंट भी P है, तो OP एक रेडियस होगी. प्रूव दैट द परपेंडिकुलर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ अ कॉन्टैक्ट टू द टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर. बट OP रेडियस है, ये हमको दिखाई दे रहा है, बट वी कैन नॉट टेक इट राइट नाउ. सो हियर वी विल टेक सम पॉइंट, अनदर पॉइंट. लेट मी गिव इट नेम एज Q. सो हाउ वी विल प्रूव दैट कि अगर ये XY लाइन है, वो सर्कल को P पॉइंट पे टच कर रही है और PQ से जोड़ते हुए मैं एक लाइन जो भी ड्रॉ करूंगी वो सेंटर से पास होगी. हाउ इट विल? सो लेट अस बिगिन आवर प्रूफ. सो हियर आई विल राइट दैट XY is a line which touches the circle at P, right? If it is touching at P, okay, and suppose this is the randomly I am drawing for joining the line. So as we know, it is 90 degree according to theorem 10.1. So therefore join OP. Okay, right now we are not knowing it is centered. So it is let us take perpendicular, that OP is perpendicular on XY. So here it is making 290 degree. OPX plus angle OPY both are 90 degree. So they are making 180 degree over there. Therefore कौन एक लाइन है? XPY is a line. But if it is 90, so vertically opposite angle this will also 90, and if it is 90, this is also 90 degree. Right? Means all angles are 90, means this line is also perpendicular. So therefore we can write that PQ is also perpendicular on XY. Okay, by taking this one and by taking this two, if this is also perpendicular and if this is also perpendicular, and if so here we can write that from 1 and 2. So here I will write from 1 and 2. If XY is there, it means directly OP is perpendicular, means both OP and PQ are forming line. So I will write OP and PQ are forming line. कैसे? ये perpendicular, ये perpendicular. If we are joining, तो ये कैसे हुआ? From 1 and 2 by joining OPQ. So OP and PQ are forming a line. Therefore, line PQ pass through center only. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood it well. Let me read this question. The length of the tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So let us take some point A outside the circle. Let us take center as O. And what is happening over there? Let me tell you that if any point A is there and it is passing from here and it is touching the circle at some point, so this distance is given, okay, and this distance is also given. Let us take it as D. So what is given? The length of the tangent from the point A at at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. सेंटर से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस 5 सेंटीमीटर है and the length of the tangent from the point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of circle is 4. Means this one is given as 4. Don't be confused. They are trying to confuse us. And what we have to find? Find the radius of the circle. Means OB we have to find. So here let us find that OB is perpendicular on AB. Here as we can see here it is looking like this one is 90 but it is not 90. So let us apply Pythagoras law over there. So our OA will be hypotenuse. So let me write OA square is equals to AB square plus that BO square. Let us apply all the values. 5 square, AB is 4 square, BO we have to find. Let us write 25, 4 square is 16 and that is equals to BO whole square. 25 minus 16 and that is the value of BO whole square. So we are getting 9 BO square. Now we are taking root both the sides. Under root 9 is 3 only. So value of BO will be 3 centimeter. So what they ask that from center to tangent what is the distance of radius. So here we will say that radius is of 3 centimeter. So this is the end of this question. Here let me read question number 7. Two concentric circles are there. Concentric circle का meaning ये होगा that both are having center as O. Means if I am drawing small circle and if I am making large circle, both will having center as one and that is called as concentric circle. So this is the question over here that two concentric circles are given of a radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Means smaller circle having radius as 3 centimeter and the larger one having radius as 5 centimeter. So it is given like this. Find the length of chord. We have to find the length of chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. यानी यहाँ पे ऐसे दिया है कि अगर यहाँ पे हम एक ऐसी लाइन ड्रॉ करें जो ये छोटे वाले सर्कल को भी टच करती होनी चाहिए और वो बड़े वाले सर्कल के लिए एक कॉर्ड के फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड लेंथ ऑफ इट. मींस हमको ये ढूंढना है. So let us give the name of chord as AB and let us join it and afterwards whatever is useful to us we will use it. So by using this figure I simply can say that अगर ये सर्कल को यहाँ कोई पॉइंट पे टच कर रहा है यानी टेंजेंट बना रहा है और सर्कल से हम उसका कोई डिस्टेंस ले रहे हैं इट मीन्स ये यहाँ पे 90 फॉर्म कर रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरम 10.1. So if it is forming 90 and if it is hypotenuse so we can find this. Let me give it name as M. So here we have to write in detail that AB is chord. Right, जो भी हमने किया है वो हम सब मेंशन कर देते हैं. तो AB is a chord which touch smaller circle at point M. ठीक है, so it is touching. So therefore OM is perpendicular on AB according to theorem 10.1. Now we will work on triangle. So let me take in triangle OMA. Angle M is equals to 90 degree. Let us apply Pythagoras law. That is OA square is equals to OM square plus AM square. So let us substitute all the value. That is 5 square. OM is 3 square and AM we are not knowing. So let us do 5 square 25, 3 square 9 plus AM square. This will become 25 minus 9 and that is equals to AM square. It will become 16. Just now in last question we found, but here was 16 and we found now 9. So similarly we will do. So AM will become 4 centimeter. So now here is not end of the question. Here we got this one as 4 centimeter, but we have to find AB. So here I will mention that AM is also equals to MB. क्यों वो सेम आएगा because this will be also 5 centimeter radius of a larger circle. and this is the radius. So again it will become 4 centimeter. So now here we will find AB. AB is made up of AM plus MB. So what is AM? 4 and MB is 4. So answer will be 8 centimeter. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood. Let me read the question. This is the most important question for board purpose. बोर्ड में ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आ रहा है, 3 मार्क्स या 4 मार्क्स में सर्कल में से वो लोग ये वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछ रहे हैं. क्या बोला है? लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज गिव अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी. ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी इज ड्रॉन टू सर्कमस्क्राइब अ सर्कल. यानी सर्कल अंदर की साइड है और क्वाड्रिलेटरल बाहर की साइड है. क्वेश्चन में फिगर दे दिया हो देन you not have to tense about it, but so many times that is also one question. Circle is inscribing a quadrilateral, तब सर्कल के अंदर क्वाड्रिलेटरल आएगा. और यहाँ पे दिया है क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी is drawn to circumscribe a circle, यानी क्वाड्रिलेटरल के अंदर सर्कल है. So दो क्वेश्चन है, दोनों ध्यान से पढ़ना because both having different meaning and we have to prove that AB plus 3D is equals to AD plus BC. So how we will prove? So ये concept बहुत ज़्यादा clear है. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. If we are taking any circle and if having some point outside the circle and it having two tangents, right? So suppose मैंने ये वाला लिया है तो मैं उसको जब हमारे दो पॉइंट सर्कल को टच कर रहे हैं उनका नाम S और P है. यानी हम यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं कि SA या तो हम बोलेंगे AD is a line which touches the circle at S as well as AB is a line which touches circle at P. So इसीलिए ये टेंजेंट बना रहे हैं, यानी AP और AS की वैल्यू सेम होगी. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे that A is point outside the circle, point outside the circle. Therefore, AS and AP are tangents. So therefore, AS is equals to AP and that is our condition number 1. अब हमको सेटिंग कैसे करना है जिससे हमारा एक साइड के सारे आंसर इक्वल आने शुरू हो जाए. How? What I means to say is that we have to prove AD, right? And AD is should be equals to BC. तो तब हम क्या करेंगे, जब हम सारी साइड ऐड करेंगे तो हमारी सारी साइड कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. जहाँ पे AS है उस साइड इसी साइड का क्या आना चाहिए, DS. यानी अगर हम यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं D is also point and these both are tangents and they are touching circle at S and D. So हम कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसा बनाएंगे कि वो एक ही साइड आए. यानी कि अभी मुझे ज़रूरत है AS के साथ प्लस DS में, तो आई विल टेक पॉइंट, आई विल राइट ओवर हियर D is point outside the circle. Therefore ये टेंजेंट है तो कौन इक्वल होगा, DS और DR सेम होंगे. बट आई विल राइट लाइक दैट कि इसके साथ ही ऐड हो. मीन्स इफ आई हैव टेकन इट एज लेफ्ट हैंड राइट साइड, राइट, तो राइट साइड वाले को राइट साइड रखेंगे. अभी मुझे लेफ्ट साइड में क्या ऐड करना है, SD. तो मैं SD को स्मार्ट वे में यहाँ पे लिखूंगी and I will write DR over there and I will give it as condition number 2. So in future if I am adding, I will make AS plus DS as one side and that is AD, that we have to prove. Understood what is my concept? So here again if I am taking A outside, right, so here we will take B outside. तो अगर हम ले रहे हैं B is point outside the circle. तो अगर अब मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी जहाँ पे AP है वहाँ पे मेरा PB आना चाहिए ताकि वही साइड ऐड होने में इजी रहे. मीन्स AP is this side, so I will write PB over there only. So here I will write that this PB is equals to BQ, so I have to compulsory write BQ over there. ऐसे क्यों किया, क्योंकि जब हम ऐड करेंगे इक्वेशन 1 2 3 4 को, सो कहीं ना कहीं AP और PB ऐड होगा और AP और PB ऐड होके AB बनाएगा. तो अगर मैं उल्टा लिखती हूँ ना तो बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. AP और BQ ऐड हो जाएगा और उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं बनेगा. तो स्मार्ट वे में हमने ऐसे लिखा है. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक पॉइंट C ओवर दैट, C आउटसाइड. C इज पॉइंट outside the circle. राइट तो वहां पे हमको दो कंडीशन मिल रही है CR इज इक्वल्स टू CQ, पर CR और CQ को मैं उस वे में लिखूंगी ताकि ये BQ और CQ वापस ऐड हो जाए, तो जहां पे मेरा BQ है उस साइड में CQ लिखने की ट्राई करूँ. So then I will compare CQ is equals to CR and that I am giving equation number 4. Now I will write add equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how it will look? तो अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं वो सारी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेफ्ट को ऐड होगी और राइट राइट को, मीन्स एक साइड आ जाएगा AS प्लस DS प्लस BQ प्लस CQ और उस साइड आ जाएगा AP प्लस DR प्लस PB प्लस CR. ठीक है. Now we have to make combination over there, means what kind of combination? So here as I told you that AS plus DS they are having one combination. Another combination we want as AP plus BP, तो we will take over here, means यहाँ पे हमको AP और BP को साथ में लिखना पड़ेगा, राइट. और यहाँ पे हम किसको लिखेंगे AS plus DS को. अभी हमारा BQ और CQ साथ में ही है, सो वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनी चेंजेस ओवर देयर. और अब हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचा तो हम DR plus CR को भी साथ में लिखेंगे. नाउ वी विल सी दैट only change is what we did, this and this we combined, so automatically they both combine. And here smartly we wrote no, so it is in the form only. So AS plus DS are making AD, so let me write AD over there. BQ plus CQ are making BC over there, so let us write BC over there. AP plus BP are making AB over there and DR plus C are making DC over there. So let us read over here that AB plus CD साथ में आना चाहिए था plus AD plus BC. So it is in the form, so therefore we have proved whatever they asked us. Only we will just turn it that AB plus CD and that is equals to this, means AD plus BC. So this is the end of this question and most important question for the board students.